Hello learners, welcome to Atya Studies. Today I am going to explain same printing program only, but yesterday we learned like we have printed by using system println statement. Here we are passing head. I have assigned this head to n, and if you choose n dot data, it will print first element. Okay. If you choose n dot next dot data, in dot next is the reference of the another node. If you select data, then it will print the next node data. Similarly, third node data will be print, fourth node data will be print. But this is not the optimized way to print elements, right? For that, we understand well how the printing is happened here. If you see, I have taken here four nodes. First node contain 10, second node contain 20, third node contain 30, fourth node contain 40. Here if you see, as usual, you know the first one contain node has two elements. First is data, next is next. And here also I have assigned for each and every node what is what. So if you observe here references carefully, here every reference is like a head. Okay, every reference is like a head. But yeah, in our program we are referencing only head here. If you see head, if head refer to, if I give like this, let's suppose I am not assigning head to any variable over here. Think if I am printing head dot data, head dot data, if head dot data is referred to first node, then it will print 10. Head dot nada, head dot next data, if you prepare, if you refer it to the next node, then it will print 20. If it is prefers the next node, it will 30. So it is basically of only reference. Head is referred to where, right? If you understand very well, head contains what reference? Head stores reference, only reference. If you store here at 200, it will print this. If you store here at 300, it will print this. If you store reference of 40, it will print the next element. Understand? So if here, if you see why I'm saying this, you need to understand, hey, if you want to move to the next element, you should depend on next only. You should depend on variable reference address only. So head dot data prints data. If you take head dot next, it will print what? Next reference data. So let me write the program over here. Head dot data, it's okay. It will print head dot data. First any node data will be print over here. What I'm doing, after printing head dot data, I'm moving to the next node. But this node is stored in head. Okay, that's it. It will refer to the next node. But to reduce these repetitions, I took here while loop. While this loop will continue until, I'll explain here, until this loop will continue until it got null. Head dot next not null. Okay, head dot next not equal to null. If it is equal to null, then it won't loop the elements. If it is not equal to null, then only it will loop the elements. Okay, let's debug the code. If you see here, see 10, 20, 30 is printed. Why 40 is not printed here? If you see carefully, yeah, head pointed to this first. It has head dot next, which is 150. Okay, it moved to here. Okay, it will print it. Head dot data will print it. If you understand the program here, first head dot next not equal to null. Yeah, it will look for first variable over first node. Yeah, for head dot data, head dot next is not equal to null. It has some reference. Okay, so that data will be printed. It will enter into the loop and data will be printed. Then head dot next will refer to head only. Head dot next, which is this is reference to where head. It is assigned to 150 is assigned to head. If you see here 150 assigned to head. It will look for this head dot next. Yeah, 200 it is not null. Then 20 will print and it will assign 200 to this. So it's next. Yeah, it is not null. Then 30 will print. Okay, so it will go the node dot head dot next is assigned to head. It will look for next. It is null. It is not is equal to null. It is a null. So 40 won't be printed over here. That's how the process will be going here in linked list. If you want to remove the repetitions, this is the process. By having 3 lines of code, you can. If you write like this, if you have thousands of nodes, then you need to write n dot next dot. So it is very complex and which is not affordable code to use. That's why we used while loop over here. Yeah, if you understand, please, if you don't understand, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.